In this video I'm going to show you how to set up HP DeskJet 2827e printer with MacBook. First step is to switch on the printer and we have to enter this printer into the setup mode. Go to the printer display panel. On the control panel we have to press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button together. After 3 seconds you will see the power light flashes. Release the buttons. Wait for the wireless light to flash. That means printer is in the setup mode. Now go to your MacBook. To complete the setup, go to the App Store in your MacBook. In the App Store, click on the HP. You will see the first app that says HP Print and Support. If you are using HP Smart App, then it will ask you to update to the HP app. So click on the update, or you can download it. So once you download it, then we will go to the HP app. Now if you are using the old MacBook, it may not update, but it will work as a HP Smart App. Now close this window. Open the app. So click on the add new printer, or you can click on the printer icon on the top. You will see HP DeskJet 2827 series setup. Click on it. Continue. On the next page it will ask you to select the Wi-Fi from the list. Click here and select your Wi-Fi and then enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you enter the password, click on the continue. Follow the instructions on the screen. Go to your printer display panel. Press the I button once. Continue the setup process. Printer is installed. Click on the continue. In case your printer is not connecting with the wireless network, move your printer near the router so that it can get the better signal. Once your printer is installed, wait for printer to show up on the app. If you look at the printer display panel, you will see the wireless light is stable, and now you can start using your printer for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.